not that way, more like this way, back and forth. So, got a bunch of stuff lined up to be tapered and trimmed. I made a practice stick here, so I'm going to adjust this to grab something in that dimension and make sure I don't cut off the little finger here. And other than that, I think we're going to be ready to rock here in a couple minutes. Okay, here goes nothing. There's some hearing protection. Hold my breath for the dust. So I'm going to wait till the blade stops spinning. I'm going to point something out. I didn't actually measure the taper. I went with, oops, looks like I did a funny angle on my, it's there now. By the green stuff I can tell I went through one of the feet. But I'm looking for about a 5/8 inch leg down here at the bottom. And it's pretty good, it looks like. I can match it up with the lines on my, that I marked over here. And, well, that's right there. I figured about an inch and like a 1.42 degrees. 1.42 degrees was the magic number to get what I needed. And this is, I used a combination blade, as you can see, and it's well, it's right there. If anything, I would back the fence out just a hair and give myself a little bit more room for cleaning this up with a hand tool. I'm just going to take a hand plane and just make one pass, but really, it's pretty much good to go. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to start cutting some tapers. Okay, so I backed the fence away a little bit. I'm still not exactly sure where to grab onto the, whether I grab the handle here or I grab this. I want to make sure it's butted up against the toe in the back. And then I think once that's set, you have to kind of, I think I'm going to put a thumb here on top of the gripper and then keep it close to the cut. I'm going to bring it back in just a hair. But I just want to leave a little extra meat there for hand planing just in case. So I think I'm set. So I got this backed all the way, thumb on here. My cut is telling me that the blade itself actually doesn't look very square. Got a big weird cut here. I don't think that was the jig. So I'm gonna take a look at that. I'll take a look at that and fix it. Okay, so I was having the issue that as I'm going through with the jig, that it would the tapering jig would twist as it got towards the end, and that just that last little bit would cause the blade, it would turn and it would drive the end of my piece into the blade and chew off the corner. And so I extended it with just a piece of scrap wood and some, as you can see, some rockler clamps. And I ran it through, and it looks like it took care of that issue. So I'm going to try some test cuts, and I had to adjust the angle because I'm pushing through on what's now a tapered part of the leg. So I had to tilt my block to get in the right position. But this test cut on my piece of scrap pine looks pretty good, so time to do it for real.